Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about sixth class mathematics lecture. In the previous lecture, we will discuss about exercise 1.1. So you have to do some questions. I will give in the previous lecture which one is greatest. So you have to find which one is greatest, which one is smaller. You have to also find which one is smaller. You can also compare these. So today we will discuss about introducing 1 lakh and above, introducing 1 lakh and above. So we also know that when our number is starts, that will be start from 1 2 3 4 5 and so on chalte chalte 9 5 6 7 8 and 9. After that 9 10 will be get. From here to here one digit is present, from here to here one digit present, but in 10 two digits. In 10 two digits is present. Now from 10 to 99 two digit will be taken. When we add plus 1 in 99 we will get 100. In 100 three digit is present. Now from 100 to 999 we will get three digit number. After that when we add plus 1 to this we will get 1000, that is 4 digits number. अभी देखो हम 1 से स्टार्ट किया 9 तक गए, 1 digits था. Here 9 is greatest 1 digit number. When we add 1, when we add plus 1 to greatest 1 digit number we will get 10, that is the smallest 2 digit number, that is the smallest 2 digits number. Now when we go from smallest 2 digit number to greatest 2 digit number, that is 99, and when we will add 1 to this 99 we will get 100, that is 3 digit number. Now from this 3 digits smallest number, this is the smallest number and this is the greatest 2 digit number. Now this is 3 digit number, that is the greatest 3 digit number. When we add 1 to this we will get 1000, that is the smallest 4 digits number. Now after that from 1000 to 999 this is the greatest 4 digit number. When we add 1 plus we will get 10,000. This is the smallest 5 digit number, this is the smallest 5 digit number. After that from this smallest 5 digit number we will go 99,999, we will get this largest 5 digit number. Now when we add plus 1 to this largest 5 digit number we will get 1 lakh, we will get 1 lakh, that is the smallest 6 digits number. From 1 lakh we will get 9,99,999, this is the greatest 6 digits number. When we add plus 1 to this we will get 10 lakh, we will get 10 lakh, that is the smallest 7 digit number. So by these method we get number that is the smallest and greatest. This is the 6 digit number and this is the 7 digit number. So by this process we get the smallest 7 digit number. Now from here we will start and we go to 99,99,909 and we will add 1 plus 1 to this, we will get 8 digit smallest number. We will get 8 digit smallest number. So इस तरीके से हम ग्रेटेस्ट और स्मॉलेस्ट से जो हमारे 3 डिजिट 4 डिजिट 5 डिजिट 6 डिजिट नंबर का फॉर्मेशन कर सकते हैं. So 9 is the largest 1 digit number and 10 is smallest 2 digit number. So 9 plus 1 that is 2 digit number. We will get 10, that is the smallest 2 digit number. So by this process we will get here 1 crore. After that 1 crore, we will get 10 crore. 10 crore is the 10 crore is the 9 digits. Sorry, 9 digits smallest number. That is in this 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9. So this is the 10 crore, and 10 crore is the smallest 9 digit number. So this is the method by which we can get a smallest 5 digit numbers, greatest 5 digit number, smallest 6 digits number. So here you have to give a table that is the 2 digits. Smallest number is 10 and greatest is 99. 3 digit number 100 is smallest and 999 is greatest. 4 digit number 1000 is smallest and 9999 is the greatest. In the 5 digits 10,000 is greatest, smallest, and 99,999 is the greatest. And 6 digit number 1 lakh is smallest and 9,99,999 is the greatest digits number. So by this method we can get the smallest and greatest digit number of different digits. इस तरीके से हम जो हमारे स्मॉलेस्ट और ग्रेटेस्ट डिजिट नंबर है, जो 2 डिजिट के, 3 डिजिट्स के, 4 डिजिट्स के, हम क्या कर सकते हैं, फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग ऑफ लार्जर नंबर. सो रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग ऑफ लार्जर नंबर वी विल टेक दिस method by 2, that is the Indian system of numeration and international system of numerations. It is not easy to read large number. To make reading number easy, we group various places into period. This can be done by different 2 method, that is the Indian system of numeration and international system of numerations. So first of all we will see what is the Indian system of numerations. Now first of all take an example. So what is this? This is 10 crore. We will reach here by starting our counting from 1 and we will continue this counting further. हम 10 करोड़ पे कैसे पहुंचे? हमने 1 से स्टार्ट किया था और काउंटिंग में आगे चलते गए. सो जैसे ही हम 2 डिजिट्स नंबर में इंटर करते हैं, सो वी विल give the name of these places. This is the 1st place and this is the 10th place. So by this method we can give the name to these places. So this is the 1st place, this is the 10th place, this is the 100th place, this is the 1000th place, this is the 10,000th. This is 10,000. So I will give the name of these places in this Indian system of numerations. So see, first is 1s, second is 10s, third is 100s, fourth is 1000s, fifth is 10,000s, sixth 1 lakh, seventh 10 lakh, eighth 1 crore, ninth 10 crore, 10th 1 arab, 11th 10 arab. So this is the Indian system of numerations. तो इसके अंदर आपको इस तरीके से जो हमारे बड़े नंबर हैं उनको रीड करना सीखना है. So this is the end of your lecture and you have to write this Indian system of numeration table on your notebook, and you have to also write this table that is the table of 2 digit and 3 digit smallest and greatest number, and also learn this table. So this is the end of your lecture and this is your today's homework. Thank you.